There's my bird just taking a walk, looking around, but he's bound and determined to come back and try to climb this again. He's not going to stop until he gets it. It's his third attempt. Working it through his mind all the time. How is this going to work? How am I going to get up there? Are you after my toes again? Try to figure that one out. Are you going to go back to that? I'm going to go back to my toes. You want to try to get up the chair that you know so well? He seems to be most attracted to vertical bars. Did you have a nice walk? Bubba, did you have a nice walk? Yeah? Now you're back at home, right up where you're supposed to be? Yeah? Did you have a nice walk? Little walkabout? Hi, Bubba. Pretty bird. Pretty bird. Do you hear the boys? Do you hear them playing their game? Were you looking for them? Just follow your ears. Just follow your ears, birdie. Yes, I know you love those boys. Do you two think you're just going to get a treat? Huh? Are you just going to get a treat? Huh? Yeah? Is that what's going on?